Hello everyone. So in this video we'll be discussing word problem regarding to the ages. Okay, so it is quite important topic and students have a lot of doubts in this topic. So we have to discuss about the problems in a word problem of linear equation two variable related to the ages. So I'll read the statement once. The statement is 5 years hence the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What are their present ages? So like in the previous video, we did learn about one thing, that what is being asked has to be assumed. So you have been asked to find their present ages. We have to find their present ages, so we are to let their present ages. We'll start. Let Jacob's present age be x years, and we have Jacob and his son. Will assume let Jacob's son's present age, okay, as we are asked to find the present ages, so we have to assume their present ages. Present age be y years. So till now we have simply assumed their present ages to be x and y, x for Jacob and y for his son. Now the most important part, we need to formulate the equation, we need to make the equation. They say 5 years hence the age of Jacob will be that they are talking about the future. Okay, so after 5 years the age of Jacob will be 3 times of that of his son. So how we'll do? Now this is the age of Jacob and this is the age of his son. 5 years from now, after 5 years, okay, so if I'll say I'm 30 right now, so after 5 years I'll be 35. So after 5 years my age has to increase and your age will also increase. So we need to add 5 on both the sides. Okay, Jacob's age will be 3 times of that his son. So when we have this clause 3 times, so what students do? They'll just put 3 over here. This is the very first mistake. Okay, this has to be like complete bracket. Jacob's age will be 3 times, okay, 3 times of his son's age. So this is son's complete age after 5 years, not just 3 times the present age plus 5. This is not the case. We need to put the bracket that 3 is multiplied with both the terms. Okay, so this is the correct way. So the second way how students do it in the wrong order, they'll write in this form, that Jacob's age is 3 times. This is wrong. Okay, how? We'll just understand this with simple form. Suppose this is Jacob's age and this is his son's age, and we say that Jacob is 7 times his son. We consider this case and we will consider this case. Okay, तो ये कह सकते हैं ना कि सन की एज तो कम ही होगी, तो I say कि सन की एज जो है, let us say that is 5 years. तो son's age will be 5, 7 into 5, तो फादर की एज कितनी आ गई? 35. Feasible enough. लेकिन मैं यहाँ पे अगर सन की वैल्यू 5 करूं, ठीक है, if we fill the age of son as 5, x is 5 by 7 which is 0.7. तो फादर की एज सन की एज से कम हो सकती है. ओके, सो दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल. ठीक है, तो whenever it is said that age is this much times the other, you need to multiply over the other side only. Okay, so do not multiply the number of the constant on this side. So after doing this, we need to simplify this equation. So this will be x plus 5 is equals to 3y plus 5, or you can say that x is equals to 15. You'll say 10. So this is the first equation that we have with us. Now we'll make the second equation. They say 5 years ago, it is regarding the past, Jacob age was 7 times that of his son. 5 years ago. So Jacob and his son 5 years ago, that means that we need to subtract 5 from both sides. And they say that Jacob's age was 7 times. Jacob's age was 7 times the age of his son. Simplifying this, you'll get 7y minus 35. So x will be 7y, minus 5 will be added on that side, minus 35 plus 5. So x will be 7y minus 30. So we have these two equations, and solving these two equations by substitution, you will get the value for x and y. Thank you.